Yes, welcome back traders. Let's check out the market and see what's setting up for the week. So without wasting any time, let's get it.
So guys, today I'm going to analyze one of my favorite pair, which is what? EURUSD. And as usual guys, you already know that I start from weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes to 1 minute where I execute my trades because I'm a scalper. So without wasting any time, let's get it. And currently I'm on one on weekly. So on weekly, as you can see, this chart is already telling you it's bullish. So we managed to take out this high point, and I'm gonna mark it as B. By B means what? Break of structure. Then we took out this high point again, something like this. So I'm gonna put B as well, which is what? Break of structure. Then here finally we managed to take out this high point because market has been almost a week or two consolidating on the same area, but now we break it. So here you can see B break of structures. Market is what? It's in a mad bullish. So I'm gonna take out my rectangle tool and mark what? This demand zone, which is a good demand zone. So if market is in a bullish, it has to breathe. By breathe, that means it's what? It has to retest. So here, as you can see, we break structure, so it has to retest down. So now we will expect what market here on market to do. We expect market to come all the way to this demand zone, give us a good confirmation, then we buy up to that area. If market come to this area, we don't just jump in the market and expect market to go good. It can come all the way and break it. Then what are you gonna do? If let's say hey, market is bullish, then we have to buy. It's a must now. We can't do that. We have to wait for good confirmation. Or else market it can come all the way to this demand zone. I say it come all the way to this demand zone, it breaks it, retest, then yes, we can get trades, then we continue to sell. Simple. So that's the two things we're expecting. But then the third one that I'm expecting here. So let me just zoom so that you can see. As you can see, only this candle. I'm gonna take out my highlight tool. This candle, which I mark with my highlight tool. So this candle, as you can see, it just closed with a big wick, almost the whole candle. It closed with all of a half of a wick. So what is it telling us? So for me, in this strategy that I'm using, if let's say a candle close something like this, that means it's rejecting or not on something. So, but you don't have to stretch out because we have daily 4 hours, 50 minutes. It will tell us that okay, market may be tapered demand zone, so that's why it's rejecting. So here it will tell me again that market, if let's say it close like this, there's a big possibility that market it can just buy with target what? Oh, sorry. So let me just take out. No, so I'm gonna delete and put it again. So it can just buy, we target it that high point. Simple guys, you understand? So here on weekly, we have two buys against that one sell. You understand? So buys that are still powerful. So that rejection, I'm telling you that I'm seeing on that candle, market can just start to buy from from that area, then we target what? That high point. Simple. So I'm gonna remove everything and we go to daily. So what's happening on daily? So let me just analyze, and you don't have to take time to analyze, especially with this strategy, guys. It's very simple. So here we took out that high point, which is B. By B, I tell you it's what? Break of structure. Then down here, I'm gonna take my rectangle tool and mark this demand, and we have a good demand zone here. Simple, something like this. So what are we expecting here? Simple, guys. Same as what? Same as weekly. So we just expect market to come on to this demand, then it will buy, we target what? That high point, or else market it will just say something like this, boom, then it breaks out that demand zone, retest, then we sell. Simple. But like what I said on weekly that small candle, it closed out with a rejection. That rejection, it can also push market from where it is, then we target out that high point. Simple. This strategy, guys, is very simple. So by the time, let's say we just go by, let's say actually we start from weekly, then we say daily, but let's say we go to what? To 4 hours, it's gonna tell you something else in 15 minutes. So as you can see, daily we are bullish, weekly we are bullish again. So now I'm gonna flip what to 4 hours and see what's 4 hours. It is what? It is for us. Simple. So here 4 hours. What's happening in 4 hours now? So I'm going to analyze 4 hours and see what's happening here. Don't forget that weekly we are bullish, then daily bullish again, then 4 hours, So I'm going to analyze, then we'll see what's happening on what? On 4 hours. So here we took out one. That means what? CH, change of character. Then I'm going to mark all the demands and supplies. Then we have a good what? Demand zone here. Extend to the right side. Then again, I'll mark here. Then we have a good supply zone here, guys. Simple, something like this. Yeah, so what are we expecting here? All right, so let me just take out my horizontal array and mark out this low point. And on this low point, I'm going to take out a highlight tool. So where I put X is here on this line here. That's where what I put almost 3 X's, guys. Where I put 3 X's, market it failed to break what that low point. So let me remove my X's. At least you already see what's happening. So here, market, as you can see, it failed to what? To break that lower point. It failed to break that lower point. It just break it out with a wick. But then for us, we need what? Market to break it out with a body closer. You understand? So market it failed to break out this lower point. So in this strategy, if something like this happens, that means bulls that are coming in, not they're coming in active. So here we can expect something like this. Since market it failed to what? To break that lower point, that means the higher point is what? It's in trouble. You understand? So here we can expect something like this. Market it will come, it will break what? This high point, retest, then boom, we buy to what? To that higher point. Or else, if let's say market it decide again, it will come all the way to what? To this lower point and break this lower point. To break, guys, it has to break with a body closer, not with a wick. If it comes here, it break with a body what? With a body closer, that means what? We are bearish. Then it retests, then we target what? This demand zone. Simple, guys. Simple. That's what I'm gonna expect on it on 4 hours. So let me just take you a little bit back again. Weekly, we are bullish. Daily, we are bullish. 4 hours, we are bearish. This bearish is coming from what? From weekly and daily retestment. You understand? Simple, guys. Something like that. So here, that's what I'm gonna expect on what? On 4 hours again. So here I can take out, let me just take out these arrows. Don't have to complicate things, guys. Patience, it's always needed, guys. You just have to have patience, then you wait for market to give us what? Give you something here. So here I'm gonna go to 15 minutes and see what's happening here. Oh, sorry. So now we're on 15 minutes. So this line here, let me just mark it here. This line where I put 2x's here is the line that we failed to break on 4 hours. So don't mind it, guys. Don't mind it. Just leave it like that. So retest something like this. So this one is what? It's our 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 time frame, what are we expecting, you guys? So let me just analyze real quick and tell you the direction where I'm thinking market is gonna go. Something like this. So here, which means it's what is B by B, it means that breakout structure. So I'm gonna take out my horizontal array and mark this higher point. Then here it's all liquid here. It's all liquid here. Something like this. So it's all liquid anytime, any day. It can be what? It can be swept. So let me extend it like this. Yeah, something like this. Then here we have a good demand zone down here. Good demand zone down here. Simple, guys. Simple. So let me go with you again, guys. Weekly, we are bullish, but we are what? We are retesting. Daily, we are what? We are bullish again, but we are retesting. Then 4 hours, we are what? We are bearish. That bearish is coming from what? From weekly and daily. That retestment, it's a what? It's a bullish on 4 hours. Then on 4 hours again, we fail to break the lower point. That means bulls that are what? That are coming. Simple, guys. If on weekly I take you back again, we close with what? With that candle I was talking about. That candle, guys, it closed almost half, leaving a what? A big wick. That means it's a rejection. That rejection now we find out now that that rejection is coming on from 4 hours where we failed to take out that lower point, and it tells us, guys, that bulls are coming. So what are we expecting here? You can see we have a story now from weekly, daily, 4 hours. So on 15 minutes, that's where the magic starts, guys. So what are we expecting on 15 minutes now? On 15 minutes, we can expect something like this. Since bulls that are showing signs that they are coming now. We can expect something like this. Market, it will break what? This high point, it retest, then you target what? This 4 hours what? Sorry, that 4 hours supply zone. Simple, guys. So here it will be something like this. So with my rating, something like this. Boom, boom, something like this. You understand? Then we can take buys and our SO. We just have a small SO, something like this. Buys to what? To that supply zone. Simple. Or else market it can pull again to this area. So where's my rectangle? To it can just give me something like this. So since here, as you can see, let me take my highlight tool so that I will show you. On this area here, where market highlight tool, we break structure. So if we break structure, we have what? We have to breathe again. So like by breathing, market it can give me something like this. It can come all the way to what? Something like this, boom, boom, then tip what? This demand zone, change of character, retest, then I'll buy again, target what? That supply zone. So here, something like this. So that means you made a change of character, then I'm gonna let me make it something like this. Yeah, so that means it will give me a change of character. So here I'm gonna put CH. By CH, I already tell you guys that it's what? Change of character. Then take my rectangle tool, then I'll mark here. Yeah, something like this. Then I'll take a long position, I'll put it here. You can see my SO can be maybe somewhere here. Then again, I'll target what? That high point. Simple. You can see, guys, simple. Something like this. So don't have to complicate things. It's already telling you, okay, again, guys, that okay, market is about to do this and this and this, or else the third one. But in this one, it is low possibilities to do, guys. Or else market it can just come all the way. Let's say it come all the way, it managed to break out this low point. If you break this low point, we wait for retest again, we sell target out, the lower point again. Simple, guys. Yeah, because it will just break here, which is what? A break of structure, because it's a continuation, guys. So if it breaks, then I can have a, let's say, a supply zone here, then I can just sell all the way down, something like this, guys. Then my SO can be here, then we sell. Simple. So you can see, guys, we have three possibilities that can come. Don't rush to enter. Wait for market to come to you, then you can just you can just react, guys. Simple. So guys, that's what I'm expecting on USD. So wish you the best, guys. Peace out.